This is Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam, the symbol of justice. A man who implemented justice against his own self, even though he was right. When one day a Jewish man, he took the armor of the Imam alayhi salam, the shield of the Imam. It had fallen from the Imam's camel. He went and he took it. And he claimed it belonged to his. He went with Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib to Shuraih al-Qadhi. This is in the government of Imam Ali. He's the head of state, and a Jewish man takes him to court. Can you imagine? The Imam says, this is mine. You have taken this from me. He said, no, it's mine. It's in my hands. They go to the judge. Have you ever seen a head of state, a ruler, a king, a khalifa, going to his own judge when a Jewish man has come to file a claim against him? Where has that happened in history other than the government of Imam Ali alayhi salam? The Imam said, I'll go to the judge with you. He went to the judge. Now the judge called on Imam Ali. He called him, Ya Amir al-Mu'mineen. Imam Ali said, no, not here, not in the court. You have to treat us equally. You call me with this title and you call the Jewish man with his bare name. This is not justice. Deal with us justly. Allahu Akbar. What kind of justice Ali ibn Abi Talib implemented? Even though he was the owner of that armor. The judge asked him, oh Ali, do you have any witnesses? Do you have any proof? He said, no, I don't have any proof, but it belongs to me. When the judge realized that there is no proof, even though he knew Imam Ali was saying the truth, but in court you have to show evidence. He said, fine, since there's no evidence, I give this armor to the Jewish man. When the Jewish man saw that, he stood up. He says, oh Amir al-Mu'mineen, this armor belongs to you. I took it and I was lying. But now when I have seen that you, the Khalifa, humbled yourself, you came to the courtroom, and you treated me equally, I've realized that you are the true Khalifa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and that Muhammad is his messenger.